He's right there. Right there. Right above that lava rock patch. Middle of the hill. He's looking at us.
How's it going, everyone? Well, we're out today. We had a little bit of time this evening to go out just real close to where we live and go chase some coyotes, so that's kind of the plan today. But looks like right now we're doing some rain and wind. The forecast said it was going to be raining today, but it also said it was going to end around midday and the sun's supposed to come back out, but it doesn't look like that's the case right now. So we were just getting ready to head out to our first stand. We just got out, got ready, we got raincoats on, but we got ready, and then all of a sudden the weather just got way bad, so we jumped back in the truck. We're kind of just trying to wait it out. We're even seeing lightning out there and thunder, so it's a little nasty, but
not a very good way to start our season.
Yeah,
sure.
Yeah, no kidding. First stand sitting in this crap.
But hopefully it just passes by. A couple hours ago the wind was perfect. There was almost no wind out here.
Yeah. Here comes the hail. Shaking the dang truck right now. This would have been brutal to be sitting under.
You don't just have to just hunker down and just not move.
It was ridiculous out there. It's getting brighter though. Looks like the clouds might blow past us. Yeah, it's getting way brighter out here. Shaking the truck. So we get into our first stand right here, and we're getting all ready to go, and we both sit down, and all of a sudden Dan realizes he didn't even grab his bullets. So he had to run back to the truck and get some.
He's right there. Right there. Right above that lava rock patch. Middle of the hill. He's looking at us. There he goes. Yeah, he's leading. He's leading. There he goes. Get up top, up top, up top, up top. Over here. Right there, right there. He's running.
Woo! Woo!
He's stopping. He's stopping.
He's wounded. Hold on. Do you see him? You hit him for sure. He's getting up. He's standing up.
He's skating up and down. See him? I think you missed him. I can't see him now. Well, first stand of the year. I don't think I got him on the video though because I couldn't get on him fast enough after he moved.
I could not see him.
Yeah, he was so like, it was funny. I never saw him come in. I just all of a sudden saw it and I was like, holy shit, is that a coyote? And I zoomed in on him and that's when I kissed. I was like, I thought it was one just from physically seeing it by eye, and then I just zoomed in on it. But
you kept saying above the lava rock, and
I didn't know how to point it out. Like it was like right in that right in that dark spot.
I didn't catch him until he finally got up on that other hill.
Yeah, he was super close. It would have been dead coyote. You hit him though. It just looked like it was in the back, and these are those smaller rounds too.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that was only like
what? 4 minutes? Because this is going 4:23.
Yeah, it was like 4 minutes. He was laying there pretty good.
Yeah, and then he got up, and then he tried to run some more, but
he could have fallen just right back over.
Yeah.
At least we can go see how much blood's up there.
Yeah. Yeah, I just wish I could have had a better way of explaining where he was.
How far was that? Didn't even have time to range it.
No. Not that far. You talking about
35?
Oh, when you shot him or
Yeah.
right there? Oh.
Up to like that top of that, where he was.
Yeah.
But right down here, like 150.
Alright, we're gonna go see if we can find this guy. He's definitely hit, so we're gonna go see if we can find him, hopefully. So yeah, down, he would have been literally like right in here somewhere. Yeah, he was halfway down this hill. He must have just came right through there, over here, to right there. All right, we're on the trail now. Let's see where we got him. You can literally see the trail where he went. So let's see if we can go get him. Oh yeah, so this wasn't, yeah, he was running all the way through here. Yeah, you can see his trail. Kind of want to fall back a little bit and see if there's a big pile of blood where it first hit him. Not a big pile, but it's getting thicker. So we got some good blood. You can see the blood down there. Guess we're gonna be searching for him for maybe a little bit. He might be up in these rocks. We just noticed the trail goes right up into these rocks. Blood goes right here. Some blood right there. Oh, right here on the rocks. Yeah. Check out this little den we just found right here. Kyle led right to it, but he kept going. I'm wondering if this is his home. But he went through here. Well, we were out here. We've been looking for that coyote for 45 minutes or so now, and we followed his blood trail for probably like 2 miles or so, and it just keeps going, and the blood trail is getting really, really thin and hard to keep tracking. So it just wasn't big enough hit to really do enough damage, it looks like. One thing is we're using these, I think they're 58 grain varmint load on this on our 243, so it's kind of a small bullet. We were hoping it would work all right in the sense that it would give us small puncture holes through the hides so they would preserve the hides a little bit, but it just might not be enough. If you don't get a great shot with those loads, you're not gonna do enough damage to get them down and be chasing them, so that sucks. So yeah, we're gonna walk back and get in the truck and hit the next stand, hopefully get one. Alright, well, we are at stand number 2 right now. We're gonna get set up and hopefully call something in here. The wind's starting to pick up, so it's getting really windy. It's a nice little high point. Yeah. All right, here we go. We're hitting stand number 3. Yeah, wish us luck. Sun's starting to set a little bit. We might have time for one more stand after this, so let's hope we can get one here.
You got some shade, probably in the sun.
Yeah, got some good shade right now.